Hi, hello, welcome to Gritun Fashion Hub. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to post your video in full scale. Most of us make the mistake whenever we're trying to post our videos. It usually comes out cropped. We don't get to see the full details in the video, the full content of the video. So I'm going to show you how to do that, and I'm also going to show you how to change the cover of your video. The first thing people come in contact with on social media is the first image of either a video or a collage of image, and so the first image tells a lot about the content, and so I'm going to show you how to do it as well. This is a video that I'm going to use, and you can see this circle by the left hand side of your screen. That is what you're going to use to put it back in full scale. So it's in full scale now. I can see the whole content of my video, and I'm going to click next. It's also here, just in case you missed it the first time, so you can do that here. You may decide to trim you can add filter if you want to, but I love my I love it like this, so you can decide to trim it into a little bit, but I want it full. You're trying to change the cover of your video, you just have to slide so the preferred image you would want people to see first before the video plays out. So I want this. I'm going to click next, and if you don't want the sound from the video, you can just mute it, or you can leave your sound on. Next, and then you can decide to post to your Facebook or to Twitter or to whatever social media platform you want. You can decide to tag, you can decide to add location and create a caption. If you want to run an ad, you can create a promotion, and you're set to go. Thank you. Do have a wonderful day. Bye.